Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make the Fryer model for a vocabulary word. You're first going to start by putting the word in the center, and today I'm going to model how to do the word shelter. So I'll put shelter in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to write down a definition, draw an illustration, give some examples of the word shelter, and then write down any synonyms and antonyms for that word that we're working on. For shelter, the definition: shelter is a place giving temporary protection from bad weather or danger. So I'm going to write this down. Okay, a place giving temporary protection from bad weather or danger. Okay. Some examples of shelter. We have shelter can be a house. Animals also need shelter, so it could be an animal shelter where we have animals that live there. It could be a rock shelter. Animals may live in the rocks. Or a cave. And it could be a home or a hut. Okay, so now we're going to draw some illustrations. So we'll just draw a few examples of the ones we put down as examples. So we can just draw a simple house here. This would be a house for people, right? It could be like a pavilion type structure. Just something that we could go underneath. It could also be a cave. So I have a dark cave here, and then right there. So animals can go into the cave. Some synonyms for shelter. A shelter can mean, another word for shelter could be home. A dwelling. A dwelling is where someone or something lives. It could be house, hut, or apartment. Okay, some antonyms. Antonyms are words that are the opposite of the word shelter. So some antonyms for shelter are expose, out in the open, and not protected. Okay, so this is an example of how to do a Fryer model for a vocabulary word. You want to include the word in the center, the definition of the word, illustration, write some examples, and then the synonyms and antonyms for that word. I would like for you to use this model, refer to it as needed, to do the word that we're going to be working on this week. Our word for our reading, our language arts, is the word habitat. So you'll refer back to this video to put habitat in the center, write the definition of habitat, draw illustrations of what a habitat may look like, give examples of different habitats, and then the synonyms and antonyms for the word habitat. I hope this helps you.